This is a Microsoft Surface Duo. It's a folding phone from Microsoft. So I thought I would unpack that, take a look at it. If I think it's pretty cool, maybe we'll get another one. And then next week, we'll send it out to one of you. So leave a comment below and say, I need a new phone. And then I'll make sure that you get the information when the time is right. So I wanted to spend a couple of minutes here and talk to you face to face and tell you about something that's going on that I've got running. So if you're here on Twitter, how you doing? If you're on Facebook, how you doing? If you're on YouTube, how you doing? Good to see you. Have you ever felt like any of these things are true? That you're not getting the results that you deserve, that you would like to be able to show others in your life that you have had some success in your trading? Have you ever felt like, well, it can't get any worse with my trading, so I might as well now finally focus, and then you just have a smaller account because of so many mistakes? Or have you felt like deep in your heart that you knew you were better than the performance that you've had so far? If any of those statements are true and apply to you, then I'm genuinely and sincerely imploring you to go into your email inbox, because I've been sending you a bunch of emails about this. I'm doing a big reveal on Wednesday, on the 14th. I'm doing a big reveal. If you haven't gotten the emails yet, I would be shocked. But if you haven't, let me show you where you can go to get on that list. So that's where it is, robbybooker.com/time. So you go to that link, type it into your browser, go to that link, you can sign up and I'll send you all the details. Otherwise, go into your email, and I apologize in advance. We've switched over from what we used to use for email to Salesforce, and then Salesforce had a glitch and all of the emails that we sent went to spam, and now we're switching back. So there's a bunch of emails in your inbox that you've probably been waiting for. Check it out. Okay, that's that. What I want to do is look at some charts together, show you some things that are going on, some things that I wish I had done differently, and talk to you a little bit about that. And in order to do that, I'm going to change the size of the charts and stuff here. And then maybe we'll take a look at the phone. We'll open that together. Okay. So I have recently, I've come to the conclusion that I do, like, most of my money comes from a couple of different things. And here's the description. Number one, betting against companies that have gone up too far, too fast, and have had a confirmation of the move or the trend changing directions. Beyond Meat is on the verge of doing that. I want to share with you what it is that I plan to do with this. It has to break through support at $190.85 a share or so. And then it has to start breaking through lower lows and lower lows and lower lows, momentum trades. And every single time it does that, breaks through there, I want to add to that trade. It's simple enough, right? You wait, I'm waiting for divergence, and then I'm waiting for a horizontal level of support to break, to initiate a trade, and then add to the trade as price continues lower. Maybe you don't want to be a bear. Maybe you know that you're better if you're a bull. Well, you could apply the same thing in reverse. There's a high in a trend, broke the high, you buy more, broke the high again, broke the high again, broke the high again, broke the high again. And on every single one of those breaks, you might buy calls or buy the stock or whatever else. But, I don't really talk about it enough, that momentum trading, the trading of breakthroughs, one after the other, can be really strategically awesome, whether you're a bull or a bear. And I have made, on my big trades, I made more money shorting stocks or buying puts than I have in buying stocks or buying calls. All right, so once again, if you're here and you know that you haven't gotten the results that you deserve, if you want others in your life to see, have you ever wanted others in your life to see that you could be successful at doing this for a living, trading for a living? If you have ever thought, well, it can't get any worse, but now I only have a really small account, so what am I going to do with this small account? I've been the worst trader ever. Where do you go from there? Or if you've just felt like you're better than this, your recent performance, I'm appealing to jump inside your email inbox and look for those emails from me, my friend and I, Lou. I bought a DeLorean. We drove around in the DeLorean. We gave away a bunch of money. If you go to robbybooker.com/time, I'll show that on the screen again. If you follow that link, it will take you, you'll get all the information. There's probably already emails in your inbox about that already as it is. Okay, I want to look at, so, okay, what if it's the other way around? What if buying stocks is the way to go? Well, here's one that I have 5,000 shares of this, and with full disclosure, I already own 5,000 shares of OPGN, and I bought it on a break above resistance. So it had bottomed out. It had become divergent multiple times, in fact, and then it broke through resistance, and I bought 5,000 shares. And if it breaks through, that line isn't in exactly the right spot. If it breaks above resistance again, if it breaks above, I think it's $2.55 a share, I'm going to buy it again. And then it's going to create another high, and I'm going to buy it on a break of that, and a break of that, and a break of that. I think that's how you build a position. And in a bull market like we have now, it's easily just as safe as waiting for a retracement, because sometimes the retracement never comes. It never arrives at all. And then it's kind of a bummer. So those are two. I also have some shares in NOG. So if there's any recovery in oil and gas, this could be one. It already broke out once. I did buy some. And if it breaks above that again, I want to buy more above $6.48. That's okay. Bull market, oil and gas is kind of tough play. I don't really buy a lot of oil and gas stuff or energy stocks just because of how difficult that's been. All right, let's take a look at this thing. So I think this is a Surface Duo. It's Microsoft's new folding phone. And I thought I would take a look at it. And if it's cool, we could maybe next week, we could give one of these away. So especially if you're on Facebook, but if you're on Twitter, you probably reach me. If you're on Twitter, you could probably reach me and just say, hey, listen, I want to have I need a new phone. So Baraka says, hi, future millionaire. Your message that 10 pips a day is enough is great. Peter Burdett says, bring back to old, honest, genuine Rob Booker. Okay. I love you, man. People change. I change over time. 2020's, definitely changed me and a lot of people. So there's the phone. I'm going to hold it right there. So there's super thin. I'll take the plastic off of there. So, wow. That is super cool. It's big. It's a big device. And I probably closes and opens all the way. And then you talk like this. That's a pretty giant thing to hold up to your ear. And that's a pretty big phone. I do love the split screen situation here, though. I love that. And the hinge is really smooth. That's like a super smooth hinge. So that's the phone. What else comes here in the box? So inside of the box, you also get probably a charger, right? Let's see what this is all about. So yeah, we got just a regular old USB-C charger. No cable. Maybe there's a cable in here. Nope. That's the SIM card thing. I'll take my SIM card out of another one of my phones and plug it in there. Oh, there's the cable. So it comes with the cable, of course. Yeah, it makes you want to hold the phone. It makes you want to hold it. Like it's glassy. I thought it was like ceramic or something, but I guess it is plastic. It feels like weirdly it's very interesting. Glassy, shiny, of course, probably a fingerprint smudge magnet. And then I got a pen to go with it because you can write on it. I don't know what app you use for that. Probably OneNote, right? Because it's a Microsoft product. So I like OneNote. I have that. So probably download that app and load it up. But let's just take a look at the pen, see if I can get this pen out of here. So once again, like if this phone doesn't stink, it's not terrible, what we'll do next week maybe is give one away. And you and I can be Microsoft Surface Duo, a duo of Microsoft Surface Duos. What in the, oh, that's like a little, so the pen comes in a little charging thing. I don't know how to get the pen out of here. Oh, got it. And then you unwrap the pen. Ooh, I like how thin and light this pen is. That's great. I love drawing on the computers. Mobile J says, can I upload a video about, oh, the pen's magnetized in here. Can I upload a video about using MetaTrader Mobile? Yeah, sure. Of course. Yeah, MetaTrader Mobile can be kind of fun on a phone. I'll use it on the new phone. I'll do it on the new phone. I don't know how to record the screen on a new phone. That's going to be a problem. So I got one more. I want to look at these Surface Buds. See if I can open this package. So a lot of you are also asking how the presidential election is going to affect the markets. And, you know, obviously right now, the markets love whatever they're hearing about the election. Goes against conventional wisdom, right? Everybody talked about how the market, I even said it in 2016. I was wrong. I said, oh, the market will crash if Donald Trump gets elected. That was a dumb thing to say because that did not come true. But now everybody says, well, if he doesn't get elected, the markets are going to crash, and he's behind in the polls. So maybe people know something that I don't know. So these are the earbuds. How do you get them out of there? Ooh. I don't know what you think of those. Wow, your Surface earbuds are ready to pair. Okay, that's interesting. So there you go. Got the earbuds. Oh, I think those come with a charging thing too. Yep, that's a charging cable, which I don't need for those. So there it is, folks. Maybe I'll take a video or two of turning this bad boy on, and because I don't know how to turn it on. I thought that was it. You know, I should probably next time figure out how to turn things on before I do the video. But very excited. Hey, Kundur, nice to see you. Am I going to upload the stream? I'm from Spain, so I can't watch all the stream. Yep, we're going to upload everything. Excellent. And Kundur, we'll get you the Exotics Club Telegram. Well, there's not an Exotics Club Telegram. There's a Facebook one. Okay, there we go. Nice to see you all here. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Thanks for indulging me in this, taking a look at this brand new phone. I love you all. I'll see you probably tomorrow, and we'll look at some more stocks and stuff.